Welcome to my channel, Tangle Maya Gardens. I'm Nicola. I would like you to come on a journey with me and this pond here. Why? Because this one's going to be pretty special when it's finished. Now this is going to be my lotus pond, and I've been planning this for about a year or so, and it's just taken a while to sort of gather it together in my head and know what it is that I actually want to do with it. I've been in the process of making a long video about this pond. It's quite, I'll have to put it in parts. It's the only way I can do it. It's just going to be too big. And so I'll just put them up whenever it is that I've got something interesting to say about it. I've been held up because I've been chasing around trying to get a video of a damselfly, which is so difficult. I don't know if you've ever tried to get a photo of a damselfly. They just don't sit still long enough to go click, you know, just drives you nuts. And why? Because a friend said to me when I told her that I was looking for this photo, well, what's the difference between a dragonfly and a damselfly? And I thought, oh, another video. So look out for that one. I get ideas coming all over the place. It's fantastic. Here I thought I was going to, oh, how am I going to entertain you people? How am I going to inform you about what it is I'm doing here? And the ideas just keep on coming. So in the meantime, of course, I get bored and I rush ahead. That's just who I am. So one of the things that I've wanted to do on this pond, I've already started. And because this video has just taken so long to do, I get impatient to get things done the way I want it done. So I've been and in a video that I took a little while ago on a blustery day, I explain why this pond is sitting where it is. All right, and what it is that I'm doing about it and what I'm trying to do. Now, here I am a few weeks ago in time, in the future, all right, from that video. So lots of things have been happening since that blustery day. And one of them is, of course, that I've already put my growing ring in, which I talk about in my video. So anyway, I have put up a few videos, snippets out of this particular video that I am doing. And what I want to do here with this growing ring is, and I know that there would be a much cheaper way of doing this, I understand that, but unfortunately when I get a thing in my head, it just, I just go ahead with it. So what I've done, and I have got a video that I'm going to do about how I made this and how it all looks and how it all grows, how I'm going to plant it and grow it and all, and it'll all be sort of fitted in too. But I just wanted to explain the reason why I've gone to all this trouble and all this expense is that I used to use these ones. See, so I had these made, all right, so they're just made of metal, and they did a really good job of being able to put this on the edge of one of these above ground ponds and grow plants in it, and they would just be in the water there. But the problem is, of course, after 2, 3, 4 years, they rust and then they break apart. And that is what I didn't want. And yes, I know if it was made out of aluminium or zinc covered something or others or whatever, that's waterproof and things, but that's too expensive. So I decided against that at the time because I didn't have the money. And so therefore I ended up with these things. So even though I know that this is time consuming and a lot of money, I understand all that, but I did it anyway. All right, so I'm extremely pleased with this. This is really going to work really well. You wait and see. I just wanted to see if you would like to come along on this journey with me with this pond. And the video that is coming about what I was saying on a blustery day. I've attempted to sort of snippet pieces in and out of it from other sections. I wanted to make sure that all of my my knowledge that I was giving you was correct, because even though I've been doing this for 35 years, this little old brain doesn't always remember everything it's supposed to in the order it's supposed to remember it. So I just wanted to make sure that if I was giving you information, that it was correct. I didn't want to sort of give you false information. So as far as I understand it, the information I'm giving you is correct. All right, so let's see how we go. Right.